Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. Capricorn. So let's start with these cards. We have Justice, Page of Wands in reverse, and Eight of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is a very devoted, responsible person. So, whatever you do, you try to do it the right way using your skills and talents, and you have honest intentions in your work or in your relationship. You don't want to do anything wrong, and based on what you truly feel, your honest intentions, you do your actions, and that is what is giving you peace of mind and happiness. And today, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in your work situation, you are getting some kind of an announcement. It may be a news coming your way, maybe announcement about something positive in your work, some new offer or opportunity, a new beginning in your career, or maybe in this relationship things are finally taking shape. Maybe you were expecting this person to propose to you, planning for engagement or expecting this commitment to come, and that may be the news here, guys. Capricorn, so some good news or positive changes are happening today, and you are celebrating this beginning, this success, and you are spending good time, maybe having a good time with your friends and family. Maybe you are going to a party or celebrating this happy news with a party, and you are inviting your friends or family, or maybe this person is inviting you to meet their family. So some kind of a great news is unfolding in your life today, Capricorn. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe for some of you, you trusted this person and you were expecting some happy news. For some of you, you are not yet, or maybe you have not yet received it, guys. But I see with these cards, with all these cards, there is a greater chance for things falling into place and everything happening just the way it should. And maybe though you feel that this relationship may not move towards commitment or marriage, and you feel that this person is not someone who can be relied upon, I see positive changes for you guys. For some of you, this relationship is definitely working, and this person is coming towards you, guys, Capricorn. But for some of you, I see there is a chance that this relationship may not work, because it may be because of lack of trust they have on you or you have on them. So maybe it is a new connection, that may be the reason we have this energy. So if you honestly trust this person, this relationship is definitely working, guys. But if it is a new connection, a new relationship, maybe you have not reached the point of that understanding for commitment or marriage, Capricorn. So for your career situation, Capricorn, we have 3 of Cups. So some kind of celebration and happiness is what I see, guys. So overall, Capricorn, I see that things are going to fall into place, guys. Though we have negative energy also. So whatever misunderstanding or troubles you were seeing or you are seeing in this relationship is simply going to disappear, and celebration, happiness and success, maybe you are celebrating it with the party with your friends, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card, in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and um, it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more what to say, in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion. And you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.